In section 2.3, I want to begin by defining what a function is. A function is a relation where every x value has exactly one y value. And a relation is simply just a collection of ordered pairs. So looking at my first example, the ordered pair that I have is 3, 2, 4, negative 1, and 2, 6. To determine if this is a function or not, we need to look at the x values, 3, 4, and 2. What you're looking at is, do the x values repeat? The x values are 3, 4, and 2. They do not repeat. So this makes this a function. Every x value has exactly one y value. But in the second example, we have the x values 1, 2, and 1. In this case, the x values do repeat. The 1 occurs twice as an x value. And so this tells us that every x value does not have exactly one y value because the x value 1 has two y values, 4 and 0. So this makes this not a function. Once we determine whether we have a function or not, we want to tell others that this is a function. And we do this by function notation. We are going to replace the y value with f of x. And this simply tells us that it's a function. So, taking my example, y equals 2x squared minus x plus 1, I'm going to erase my y value and replace it by f of x. And so we can use this for finding y values. If I ask you to find f of 1, what this is telling you is that I know the x value is equal to 1, find the y value. So to find the y value, you're simply going to substitute 1 into everywhere you see an x. And then you will simplify and solve. 1 squared is 1. And then 2 times 1 is 2. And a negative 1 plus 1 is just 0. So our answer is f of 1 equals 2. So this means that when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. This would be equivalent to writing this as an ordered pair 1, 2. But now if I asked you to find f of a, it's the same procedure anytime you have a letter instead of a number. You're still substituting a into everywhere you see an x value. And in this case, when you have letters, you won't be able to find your final answer as a single number, but you're more expressing your answer as an equation, 2a squared minus a plus a, and that's all you can do to it. And in examples like this, they are getting you prepared for calculus, which we won't be doing in this class. But if you are taking a calculus class in the future, they're trying to get you prepared for